Google Classroom is being widely used by teachers to provide learners at home with course materials and resources. In this video, I'm going to demo two useful tools that can be used within a Google document to support learners with literacy difficulties. I'm using a Windows laptop and the Chrome browser. I'm in the Classroom Drive folder and I'm going to open this document. So what would I do if I had difficulty reading that text? Well, I can use a literacy support extension such as Claro Read, which I've previously installed. So I'm going to click on that now. And then any text I want read out, I'm simply going to highlight it.
What are you eating for breakfast?
And it will read it out to me. And it's picking up the computer voices, the Scottish voice Heather that I have installed. You can also use Claro Read to read out the comments that have been left here. But this time I'm highlighting them and right-clicking to activate the Speak Selected Text option.
I am planning to do a class workout online next week. Healthy body, healthy mind.
If writing is difficult and spelling problematic, I can use the inbuilt voice typing. So I put my cursor in the answer box here, click on Tools, Voice Typing, and when I click on the microphone it will go red and I can speak. I eat granola and coconut yogurt and fruit. Text-to-speech and speech recognition. Simple and easy to use inclusive digital technologies.